morning, everybody. My name is Dylan Hugo. I'm the Application Engineering Manager for McLean Power Systems. Today, we're going to be talking about our transmission solutions. What you see here is a raw conductor on this side. Right here, this portion is called armor rod, and this is our helical suspension clamp. This uses various different components to provide the ultimate protection for your conductor when you're clamping onto it. You use this sort of stuff in high voltage situations, heavy loads, heavy winds, and this protects it from swing, from vibration, from anything you can really think of. And this is the ultimate protection level for it. As you can see, there are 4 or 5 different parts that go into it, so it's a little more complicated and hard to install. Professional lineman, I think he did these two in about 20 to 30 minutes. I can tell you for myself, it'd probably be closer to 8 hours, as this is way more complicated than it looks. Each one of these individual strands has to be wrapped around here very meticulously and carefully, as it's a protective device.